Okay, here we are, kitchen counter talks, and my counter is telling a big story today, so let's get into it. So I am testing out a recipe that looks delicious right now. It is a sourdough coffee cake. So I'm about to get some coffee and try some of that soon. This is my cleaner that I use. It's a little bit of vinegar down here. The rest is water, and I love it. It just cleans up on my counter so good. We've got some buttermilk culturing right there. We've got a cold cup of coffee, and this is some dried oregano that I got out of the dehydrator and got it in the jar. There is some sourdough the sourdough starter that's back there. I've made some butter this morning, and so I need to get it out and then get it formed. We have some cheddar cheese that is in some salt brine. I have this out right now because I am making a country loaf of sourdough bread. So we're going to see how that is. I just got done grinding some coffee. I found some kind of hard marshmallows that I don't use. We're going to use them to get the pregnant piggy into her spot once we get the spots built for her. So I'm like, okay, we're going to use those. I've got the cheese press ready because I am doing another round of cheddar cheese that is going to be, it's culturing right now. I'm going to get it coagulating pretty soon. And over here on the messy side, I have some gluten-free chocolate chip cookie dough. It is so good. You put it in the fridge for a couple days and then you finally bake them, and it's delicious. So we've made lots of sourdough stuff this morning, and I made some pancakes, and we've got a loaf of bread that is rising. So that's my story. What's yours?